Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly forex forecast. Guys, I really hope all of you made money last week. The XY went to the downside. We said we are expecting market to drop. We've got a pullback and then another drop. And euro dollar up, pound dollar, we've got the up wave. Also gold. Anyway, I'll cover as usual the list that you can see at the right side of the screen. And all of you are new to We Trade Waves. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, and keep watching till the end. In today's forecast, I'm planning to give you guys the full analysis, or what we call top-down analysis for gold. So make sure to watch. I'll cover for you as well Bitcoin, US30. Anyway, let's start as usual with the XY. Before I start, guys, quickly, I just want to say thank you for all of you are liking and commenting on our videos. This is our YouTube channel, and all our official links, guys, are in the description under this video. So make sure to check them. I'll try to put them as well on the first comment, the website, Telegram, Instagram, all the official links, all right? Like I said, regarding the XY last week, we said market will be falling to the downside, and we've got this drop. So anyway, back to the charts for this one. What's regarding the XY and what's next? In this one, we've got, like I said, a pullback here, a small pullback, as you can see. We've got a drop, a pullback, and then a drop. This was a perfect trend continuation pattern. Even we are at the last wave, I would say, for now. This is the last move for now. I'll cover for you actually the detail, but if you missed the last week's forecast, I suggest you guys to go back and check it. This is the 4-hour chart. Now I'm jumping to the daily just to explain you where are we in the bigger picture. We've got this up wave. Again, this is the XY dollar index, the daily chart. We've got this up wave here, corrective structure up. After that, I'll change the color to blue. We've got a drop, a pullback or a corrective structure, and then this drop. At the moment, we are with this wave or in this wave, okay? What's next? What we're expecting next? I'm still expecting market to fall more. So what's next? I'll go to the 4 hours now. We are still within this wave, like I said, the wave in the circle. In this one, I'm expecting market to give me a pullback or a corrective structure for one more fall. I'm still expecting market, guys, to fall more. So basically, fundamentally and technically, we are still bearish for dollar index, for dollar, which means any pullback, any corrective structure is a sell opportunity. All right. Now, how to sell, how to get in the sell, or this stuff, like what are the levels, all this will be covered in details by T during the Sunday session that is usually conducted every Sunday at 1 p.m. UK time, at 12 p.m. UK time actually for We Trade Waivers. Okay. So again, regarding the bias, we are expecting the market to give us a corrective structure, a pullback for another drop. This is the wave and this is the move that we'll be focusing on. Yes, market dropped actually under this low. We took liquidity. And then after this drop, we've got another corrective structure and drop again. In all the cases, remember, we have the US elections in a few weeks from now and 6 weeks from now. So what we're expecting next is actually dollar to keep falling until US elections. So in terms of structures, again, this will be covered in detail for We Trade Waivers, for WW members, for We Trade Waves members during the Sunday session. But what we are expecting is market to give us some sort of ending structure until the US elections. Okay, I'm just giving you guys tips and hints so you know what to focus on and which wave to trade. Okay, personally, I'll be focusing on the sell setups. Euro dollar for this one, market as well went to the upside after a corrective structure. And if you remember from here, we said, guys, we're expecting market to give us a corrective structure similar to this one, minimum. And this was the corrective structure. Okay, we've got this drop, pullback, drop, and then up again. By the way, all of you are watching, guys, and you think that this is beneficial, make sure to give us thumbs up and leave a comment. Okay, so we've got this corrective structure here for your dollar. We've got this up wave. What's next? Looks like market will push up more. So if you ask me personally, I think market will break this top once more. If I zoom in, again, this is euro dollar 4 hours chart. All right, guys. So if I zoom in, regardless market give us a drop or not, one more push up will be coming for euro dollar. If you want to trade this wave, you can do it. It's up to you. If you want to wait for a big corrective structure, something like that, also it's very possible. In all the cases, the wave that we'll focus on is towards the upside because we do not think that euro dollar is ready to fall yet. Alan, can you be wrong? Of course, I can be wrong. That's why, guys, before you risk your money, before you waste another month, because next month actually will start a new quarter. And usually, I would say on the last quarter, we have a lot of opportunities. Those of you who don't know, this is the dashboard actually that you will get access to as soon as you join We Trade Waves. And if you are not subscribing yet to our channel, make sure to subscribe to not miss any update or any new video. Okay? So again, quickly, guys, this is our website. This is what you will get access to if you join WW membership. The details are in the pricing page. you can check here what you will get. And at the same time, this is the dashboard, right? This is what you will get regarding the dashboard. And of course, this is our actually Telegram channel, the official Telegram channel here. It's WeTradeWaves, as you can see. And these are the setups that our members are sharing, our seniors are sharing for WW members. Again, this is the notification channel, okay? So you can check here all the details. This is public anyway, guys. If you join the WW WeTradeWaves channel on Telegram, which is 5.8K subscribers, you will get all the details here anyway. Okay, so back to EURUDollar for this one. If you want to trade any wave, or our bias for this one is towards the upside, this is what we'll look for, and this is what we'll trade if we get our setups. Okay, again, guys, I'm repeating, try your best to not waste more time and money, invest in yourself, and that's how you will be able to make money. Okay, pound dollar for this one, this is our famous setup, our famous trade. Like I said previously, we've got this up wave, corrective structure up, a pullback, and we are still within this up wave. This is the structure, guys. This is the setup. Just for those of you who don't know, this is a trend continuation setup. We have this up wave. This should be sharp, the first wave. The second wave should be corrective. The third wave should be sharp. The fourth wave, it should be sharp, a pullback, and then this is the trade to the upside. This is one of the setups actually we teach our traders in detail, which time frame, how to look at the charts, all this stuff. But anyway, this was a trade that we were focusing on and we were actually trading. After this up movement gave us a corrective structure, and if you remember, we said we are expecting pound dollar to go to the upside, and the level 1.34 was giving buy during the Sunday sessions. Okay, so after this corrective structure, market went to the upside. This was another trade, perfect one, amazing. Of course, guys, we'll not get all the trades as profitable trades. We also got losses. As example, Euro New Zealand was one of our trades of the week that went against us, and we took some losses as well with this one. So Euro New Zealand, we were wrong in this one. All the other trades, we were right. As example, I'll just show you a quick example before I jump to the next pair. If I go to the trades of the week, months, and year, just to show you quickly again, for this one, look at this. Euro Yen to the upside, market went to the target, as you can see here, to the upside. Aussie New Zealand, also market is in the making. EuroCAD, market went to the upside. We've got this up wave, and market give us a bigger pullback now. And Euro New Zealand, like I said, this one, it was wrong. So here we're wrong, and we took some losses for Euro New Zealand. Now, for the trades of the month, Pound Swiss, it was crazy. Market went to the target. If I show you this one here, quickly again, before I go to the other page, I don't actually, guys, spend a lot of time regarding these ones because the details are on our Telegram channel anyway and on our social media platforms. So we've got the corrective structure up. This was a crazy trade of the month. I hope our members took advantage of this one. It was crazy. The next one regarding trades of the month of September, as you can see, this was shared on September. Okay. Again, guys, to get access to all of this, you need to subscribe to WW Pro membership. Okay. And NatGas to the upside, market went to the upside, corrective structure up. If I go to NatGas here just to show you the after, look at this one. Up, we've got a small corrective structure. It was more than enough, by the way, in terms of structure. And then we've got this up wave. Again, guys, I really hope all of you made money trading these waves. And if you want to get access, you know actually where you can find all the details. www.wetradewaves.com. This is the website. Now, Perfect Allen, what's regarding pound dollar? What's next? Pound dollar, guys, anytime market can give us a corrective structure for another push up. Okay, we are in an uptrend. Market is trending to the upside. So any pullback, any corrective structure is a buy opportunity. Our members, guys, focus on the third strategy, and the daily session will explain you what's this one, or you know what is this one. Most of you know that I like to trade pound dollar and what strategy I usually use. All right. So for this one, wait for a corrective structure and then one will push up to come. Okay. For pound dollar, we are still biased to the upside. Aussie dollar for this one, it's the same. Let me go back to this one actually. Regarding pound dollar, I think it's clear. Regarding here, corrective structure and then up again. All right. The 4 hours. Okay. Not Aussie dollar, will go to gold now. For gold, fundamentally, most of you know that we have a lot of pressure regarding the war in the Middle East at the moment between Israel and Hezbollah, and regarding what's happening regarding the geopolitics, also China and Russia, and all what's happening worldwide regarding the wars, guys, and regarding actually the escalation. Okay. On top of that, the rate cuts. Regarding the cuts that actually the Fed has done last few weeks, they went actually 4.5 in terms of the cut, and that's why actually we saw a lot of investors went to the gold. Now, regarding the structure, fundamentally we still have a pressure on gold. Like people are buying gold, investors, banks are buying gold because of the uncertainty. On top of that, that's regarding the war, regarding geopolitics. On top of that, regarding the cut rates, you know that Fed will be going for more cut rates in the future based on the reports. But again, regarding that, we might see a lot of pressure again for gold. So just to make a summary for that, fundamentally, gold is bullish. Okay. Now, technically speaking, like I said, I promise you regarding the top-down analysis, I'll go for the weekly chart for the gold. So to explain you what's happening here and what market is giving us. This is the weekly chart, guys. All right. Usually we do weekly chart to know where we're in the big picture and what market is giving us and what can we do next, okay? For this one, as you can see from the beginning, we have a bullish trend for gold. That's actually known. There is no question regarding that. If I zoom in a bit more to explain you about the last few waves, it's actually from 2018 till now, look what we have. We have this drop here for gold. We have a corrective structure, we have this drop, we have here a contracting flat, and we have here something called, that's what we do actually for wave analysis, something called ending diagonal. This is called, guys, contracting ending diagonal for gold, okay? Now, those of you who don't believe in waves, guys, nothing works better than waves in that gives you an edge in the market. So if you master actually weighted waves, wave analysis concept, you will have an edge in the market. And edge actually is nothing more than having high probability chance of something happening over the other. And that's what you need. So you need a bias, you need a correct bias, you need actually a high probability chance if market go to the upside or to the downside before you take a trade, okay? So those of you who are thinking that, all right, Alan, I really don't need an edge. No, you need an edge because edge will give you a better win rate, okay? Let me actually choose my words precisely so you know actually what I'm talking about. An edge will give you a higher win rate. If you don't have an edge, you are gambling the next wave, okay? So you have to have a statistical edge, which means on the long run, if you execute 100 trades, 70 of them or 80 of them, they should be winning trades. If I just need to reduce the number and makes it simpler, your system, your trading system has to have a winning edge, which means if you execute 10 trades, as example, 7 of them, they should be winning trades. That's actually what we call it a statistical edge, a winning edge, okay? That's something actually we can teach you to have it, which actually if you master weighted waves, wave analysis concept, you will have that edge. You will know where the market is going next with a high probability chance. That's one thing. The next thing, in order to make money, you have to have a complete trading system. And the main focus on that should be risk management, money management, and psychology. All these three guys are covered inside WW Pro membership, okay? Inside the Masterclass and inside the monthly Q&A sessions. In case you don't know, guys, the Masterclass actually is everything regarding weighted waves wave analysis concept, and the monthly Q&A session recording archive, which you can find inside the dashboard, it's covering all the advanced stuff. Anyway, it's all-in-one solution for serious traders like you. If you are serious about becoming independent, successful trader, you need to join us and you have to take this opportunity. Do not waste more time and money. Do not waste another quarter because a lot of opportunities are coming on the way. And do not waste, guys, another month, okay? Back to gold, to the top-down analysis. This was the structure, okay? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s. This is actually a corrective structure. This is a contracting flat. And this is a contracting ending diagonal. Ending diagonal, guys, is an ending structure where market usually end a structure or end a trend, okay? Now, from here, what we have a bullish trend. We have this up wave, another contracting flat here. This is the contracting flat again. And after that, market went to the upside. Don't you think we were able to catch this one? Go back and watch our previous forecast regarding this one, regarding gold. Now, after this up wave, we've got this drop, this corrective structure. And from here, if some of you remember, we said, guys, market will push to the upside. And this was the corrective structure in mind. And we're expecting market to break this top. After this up wave, what do we have? We've got this corrective structure and this up wave. Now we are on the third wave of the fifth wave. Those of you who know a bit about Elliott waves, we do not do Elliott waves, but to master weighted wave analysis concept, we are actually combining a lot of methodologies. One of them is Elliott waves, okay? So anyway, now we are in this wave. What's next? We are expecting market to give us a corrective structure and then one more push up. This is what I can see technically regarding gold, guys. That's the bigger picture. That's actually what to expect next for gold. And for this one, the wave that market should give us is something similar to this one now. A corrective structure here, and then another up wave, okay? If we get this one, before US elections, we will get another drop after that. All right, guys, that's the top analysis. That's the bigger picture for gold. That's technically, and we were biased to the upside since day one, I would say. Okay, most of you are following us on the Sunday sessions. You know, like how many times we're biased to the upside and how many buy setups we've got for gold from here, from here, from here, even from here, and from here as well. A lot of the times, market was giving us setups, and we were able to go for the buy setups. Now, from here, if I need to subdivide these waves, we have this corrective structure. So most probably, market will give us another corrective structure soon to the downside before the next up wave. Regarding the levels, those levels, guys, will be shared by T during the Sunday session. Yes, market might tap 3K for gold, and if we get a corrective structure here, a buy setup would be a wise decision to go for. All depends on the structures, and of course, like I said, if you combine fundamental analysis with technical analysis, if you wait for a corrective structure, it will be better before you go for the buy setups. Buying from here now on lower time frames, it might be dangerous. Okay, these buy setups, anytime market can give us a buy setup, or like it will break the top and start the big corrective structure. Any news that will actually affect the geopolitics, you will see a drop on gold, and that drop, I'm expecting it technically to be corrective. Exactly, guys. I hope this clear. I'll try to make it as simple as possible for you, so you know what to expect next and what to do in case market will give you the setups. Okay. By the way, look at this, guys. This is another challenge. Actually, one of our members is actually passing, and as you can see, it's the second one. Look at this one. It's the second one. I want to show you something crazy. If I go to this one, one of our members, VJ, we are so happy for you, VJ. Crazy 70-to-1 risk to reward trade. It's crazy one. He was actually trading gold from lower levels actually, and he was able to make 70-to-1, risking 5K to make 350K for gold. It was crazy trade. Again, we are so happy for you. Congrats, VJ. Keep actually pushing. This is crazy. Okay, so that's actually regarding gold. Aussie dollar for this one, market went to the upside. Again, we've got a pullback up again. What's next? Corrective structure. One push up is what we're expecting next for Aussie dollar. Which wave to trade again is up to you. Personally, I'll be focusing on the buy setups because I can see Aussie dollar pushing up again. New Zealand dollar is the same thing. It's like all the other majors went to the upside after this corrective structure. We've got this up wave, a small corrective structure here, and then up again. After this up wave, we've got a pullback and then up. What's next? Another pullback is expected before the next up wave. Which wave to trade again is up to you. Personally, I'll be focusing on the buy setups for the majors. Dollar yen for this one, I really hope, guys, all of you remember what we said regarding this one. We said, guys, yen, we are expecting yen to get stronger. Yes, we've got this corrective structure to the upside, and after that, we've got this drop. If you are in this sell, make sure to manage your trades. What we are expecting next is a corrective structure, another drop. I'm expecting dollar yen to go down to break this low once more. I'm repeating. The levels, guys, will be shared by T during the Sunday session tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. And also, I think tomorrow we'll share with you the trades of the month for the next month, all right, for October. So do not miss tomorrow's session. It will be very important. And again, it will be 2 hours live session where we cover all the charts. Like I said previously, all these charts here, all these ones here, the commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies, and all the stocks plus your requests, okay? Again, if you want to know more details, all the details are on our website. That's regarding dollar yen. Corrective structure and drop again. Dollar Swiss for this one, market actually is messy. We might be getting one push up, and then after this pullback, another drop will be coming. I'm expecting market to fall more after the completion of a certain corrective structure in the middle for dollar Swiss. Dollar CAD for this one, it's same. If we get this corrective structure here, one more fall will be coming. Okay, so we might get a big corrective structure, by the way. In all the cases, personally, I'll leave dollar CAD for now and focus on other pairs. If we get a corrective structure like this one, a sell will be a good decision. Okay, so wait for this one. The structure is in the making. We do not have a setup right now. Market might give us a corrective structure, one push up, and then another trap for this. US oil for this one, market went to the upside. It ended up to be a pullback for now. So we can still see a big corrective structure. If we get a corrective structure to the upside, market will give us another drop. Okay, so for that, market is massive for US oil. I was expecting market to drop. We've got this up wave, and then I was expecting a corrective structure. This ended up to be a big corrective structure. Of course, this is also due to the geopolitics as well in the Middle East. So for this one, let's wait on this. What is the next structure? What is the next scenario? If we get a corrective structure here, another drop will be coming. I will leave US oil and I'll focus on other pairs for now, okay? Which wave to trade is up to you. I'm repeating, if we get a corrective structure, one more drop will be coming. Otherwise, if you want to buy this, it's up to you. You can go for it. Because this simply, it can turn out to be an impulsive wave to break this top once more. So for now, I'll be waiting for US oil, okay? I hope this is clear. Bitcoin, market went to the upside and we broke this top. Fantastic. Perfect setup, perfect trade, and market is going to the upside. You know that we're bullish and market is pushing to the upside. Now we want market to talk to us. What I mean by that, let me hide everything and explain you. From day one, we were bullish, and I said this is a protected low. I explained this why, because here we have liquidity, and you know that I was screaming that guys, Bitcoin is bullish. We are expecting market to push up, and market went to the upside. That's done. All right. If you bought Bitcoin, you must have made money. Now, all of you who are in, you have to manage your trades either by taking partial profits or by closing the trade. Is up to you. If I'm in, I'll take partial profits and leave the rest at break even. If I am if I'm trading Bitcoin, okay? If you are investing, just move your stops to break even and let the market unfold. What's next? Technically, guys, we can get one more drop here before the next up wave. That's one, I would say, scenario. I'm not expecting that personally, but this is 50-50 probability chance for now. The confirmation that market will not give us this is if we get here a corrective structure. If we get a corrective structure here, market will be pushing to the upside to break this top again. Exactly, guys? So now market needs to talk to us, either to give us an impulsive wave to the downside, which what I'm not expecting, or it will give us a corrective structure. This is what I can see before the next up wave that will break this top. Okay? So personally, I'm bullish. I hope this is clear for you guys. If you were following us, you should have made money here trading this up wave. Okay? US30 for this one, market went to the upside. It tapped actually 42.5. So for this one, the levels actually, again, were given by T during the Sunday session and the Wednesday session as well. Of course, our seniors guys are doing the daily session. So 2 daily sessions every single day. You can ask any question you have. So do not miss those sessions. Of course, regarding this one, what's next? We are expecting market to give us a corrective structure and then one more push up. This might be, guys, some sort of ending structure before the next drop. For this one, if you are biased to the upside, wait for market to give you a corrective structure before the next up wave. This might be an ending structure, something similar to this one. And if I zoom out, something similar to this one. Weighted average should remember what T explained regarding this one and regarding the timeline. All right. So that's why, guys, it's very important to join and watch the Q&A sessions and watch the recording and the archive of the Sunday sessions as well. As example, if I go to this one just to show you, if you missed actually last week's session and the previous one as well, I'll show you which session we're explaining about the timeline. If you scroll down, you have the recording archive for the Sunday sessions as well. Okay. In this session here, we explained in detail regarding the timeline for the stocks, for the indices, and of course for the rate cut and what was happening worldwide previously and how the history will repeat itself. So that's why all these guys are very important to join and watch and learn from them. These are the Q&A sessions archive as well regarding the advanced stuff. Okay, so back to US30. Technically speaking, we're expecting market to give us a corrective structure, one more push up. Okay, after this up wave, any sell setup we get, we will take it. This sell setup, it can go all the way down, guys, to break this low again. I'm explaining you more than I should, but that's totally fine. This is some sort of thank you for all of you are liking, commenting, and sharing on a weekly basis. Okay, that's, guys, regarding US30. I hope you enjoyed the top analysis for gold, and make sure to trade with care. Next week it might be messy. Do not miss actually the sessions and do not waste more time and money.